Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need the right assets and the right screen. First, confirm your Realme UI version and update the Wallpapers app so live features appear. Once that's set, pick a short MP4 or compatible live photo. About 10 to 15 seconds keeps performance smooth. Next, open Settings and tap Wallpaper and Lock Screen, or long press the home screen to jump straight to wallpaper selection. This is where you begin the live wallpaper workflow and choose the source for your moving background. Now pick the live or video option and select your prepared clip from the gallery. You'll be able to trim and crop. Do this to focus on the motion you want and to match your screen ratio. Native resolution preserves quality. Once edited, choose whether to apply to home, lock screen, or both, and preview the animation so you can see timing and loop behavior. Make these adjustments deliberately because they affect battery use and launcher performance. Tap Apply or Set Wallpaper and go back to the home or lock screen to confirm the motion plays. If you don't see animation immediately, restart the launcher or reboot the phone to load the new asset into memory. Make sure you applied it to the correct screen. If it still fails, update the system. Convert the file to a supported MP4 with H.264 codec and under 15 seconds, or clear the Wallpapers app cache. These steps fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.